Do you think that you can't grow fruit trees because you live in a cold climate? Think again. Some fruit trees actually need winter chill in order to produce better harvest. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite 10 fruit trees that don't just survive freezing winters, they thrive in them. Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nora, and in today's video, we are going to talk about the top 10 fruit trees that thrive in cold climates, and you can be able to grow these fruit even in freezing winters. Our first fruit tree is apple tree. Apple trees are one of the most reliable cold climate fruit trees. Many varieties handle temperatures down to minus 30 Celsius. They require winter chill hours. They're perfect for zone 3 to 8, and they're great for fresh eating, baking, and cider. The strategy here is to choose varieties like Honey Crisp or Granny Smith for colder regions. The second fruit tree is pear tree, and pears are incredibly hardy and often more disease resistant than apples. They're cold tolerant, they're sweet, juicy harvest, and they are low maintenance. Number 3 on the list is cherry tree. Now, their sweet and sour cherry varieties perform beautifully in cold regions. They need chill hours, they're stunning spring blossoms, and they are excellent for fresh eating and preserving. Number 4 on the list is peach tree. Yes, even peaches can grow in cold climates if you pick the right variety. So always choose cold, hardy cultivars, protect during late frost, and produce fragrant summer fruit. Number 5 is plum trees, and plums are surprisingly really resilient and adaptable. They tolerate cold winters, there are compact varieties available as well, and they're great for jams and fresh eating. Number 6 is blueberry bush, and blueberries love cold winters and actually require chill hours to fruit properly. They thrive in acidic soil, they're perfect for containers, and they have a high antioxidant fruit. Number 7 is strawberry plant, and strawberries handle frost really well, especially when mulched properly. They're fast growing, they're ideal for small gardens, and they are also heavy spring harvest as well. Number 8, believe it or not, is grapevines. And grapevines, there are multiple varieties that thrive in cold regions, especially when properly pruned. They're great for pergolas. They're ideal for juice, fresh eating, and their hardy hybrid varieties also available as well. Number 9 is hazelnut tree. And if you want something different, hazelnuts are extremely cold hardy. They survive harsh winters, they're low maintenance, and they're also nutritionally um, and medicinally really good for you as well. Number 10 is a crab apple tree. And crab apples are not just ornamental, they're incredibly cold hardy, and they're great for pollination as well. They produce these beautiful spring flowers. They're hardy in very cold zones, and they're excellent pollinators for other apple trees. Now, here are some strategies we need to talk about in order to be able to take advantage of the cold climate. So you need to mulch deeply before winter, protect young trunks from frost cracks, and choose varieties that are suited to your zone and prune during dormancy, which is cold winters don't mean you can't grow food. In fact, some trees need the chill. With the right varieties and a little bit of winter care, your garden can thrive year after year. So comment below, which cold hardy fruit tree would you plant first? And subscribe for more strategies and tips and tricks such as these. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day. All the best.